Hi, my name is Ashish, and then this is the step 3 for the Migrate SQL databases to Azure. In this step, we will create a virtual network and a VPN gateway. Okay, so let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. I am logged on to the portal, and this is where I stopped on the previous video. I'm going to go to all resources, and I am going to create a resource here. And inside the create resource, I will put in VNet. This is my virtual network that I will create. I'll hit on create. I'm using pay-as-you-go subscription, and I will create a new source group. I'll do hands on lab. Hands on lab suffix. Name my VNet would be hands on lab suffix VNet. And the region is West US 2. IP addresses. This is, I'm selecting subnet name. I am changing the subnet name as managed instance. (10.0.0.0/24) or I'm using 10.17. Okay, I'm creating this virtual network with this address space, and I've created a subnet called managed instance, and with this address range. No service endpoints, nothing. I'm going to go with default. Add. This is the subnet. Review create. Let me see if what are the security options that might were enabled. I need to check. Disable, disable, disable. Okay, perfect. I will click on create. This will create the virtual network. Submitting the deployment now. Deployment in progress. Let me pause it. My deployment is complete. I'm going to go to resource. I'm going to click on subnets. You would see one subnet here, managed instance. And I will click on the subnet again. I will add management address range with 24. No, not this. I'm going to go with this 10.0.18. Save. This is my management subnet inside the virtual network that I created. And now I will click on gateway subnet. The name for gateway subnet is automatically filled in with the value with the gateway subnet. You cannot change it, you cannot edit it. The value is required in order for Azure to recognize the subnet as the gateway subnet. I can do this /24. Click on save. I've added the gateway subnet as well. Now let me open up duplicate tab, click on home, click on create a resource. We'll look for network gateway. When you see network gateway, click on virtual network gateway and not the local network gateway. Click on create. Click on the subscription. Why is it not coming? Hold on. Inside it, create virtual network gateway. Create. Okay. Oh, sorry. West US 2. Now the resource. Okay, it will come here. So make sure that you are creating in the same region. Hands-on lab suffix VNet gateway West US 2 gateway type VPN type is route based, SKU is VPN Gateway 1, virtual network generation 1, virtual network, the one that I created, it will pick up this gateway subnet, public IP address. I'm going to create a new one. My public IP address name would be VNet Gateway IP. Enable active mode is disabled. Configure BGP. As of now, disabled. Next. Tags, review, create. It will validate and create. So this deployment of virtual network gateway at least takes half an hour to 45 minutes. So I will end this video here. And okay, in this step we created the virtual network and the virtual network gateway and the corresponding subnets. As soon as it is done, we will move to the next step wherein we will provision SQL MI. Okay, so we'll setting up the stage here, we'll migrate it after a few videos. You have to follow it with me step by step. The time we are taking because we are simulating the on-premise environment as well. Okay, I hope you liked this video and this video was informative for all of you guys. If you have any queries, please mention them in the comment section and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.